sedda tuli mu kali haso. Omusajja yaleeta wannange. Omwana yaleeta ekintu. Oli omwana yajja. Kakati anyway nteekateeka tutandika na Lwakutaano luno. Eno wiki amazaalibwa ga mukulembeze waffe. Tutandikira Bushenyi. Okutandika ku makya paka ku makya olw'omukaaga nga bukya. Bwe tuva awo e Bushenyi tukwate bus ffenna tweyiwe e Lugogo. Bwe tuva e Lugogo ku lunaku olwa Sunday tujja kubeera wano kukubo nga twaniriza President Kagame ng'aze okusala keeki y'omukulu ne Muzeeyi Museveni. Bwe bamala okusala keeki tubawumuzeemu awo wiiki emu ng'ennaku z'omwezi awo 5-7 awo tukole pate gye bayita party of the century. Buli omu ajja kuwugira mu kyokunywa mu kyokulya kigenda kuba kyamaanyi. Amazaalibwa munnanga amazaalibwa Katonda yatugambye tugajaganye kubanga obulamu ennaku zino bwa kiseera. So buli obulamu bubeera bwa kiseera tulina okupika omukulu waffe abeere wakabi. Ate ku luno twamutegedde nnyo kubanga ali mu kuwangula entalo bbiri olw'Abakalamoja awangula ne luli olw'Ekkongo olwa ADF. So kati awo omugaso gwe bamuli bali tebagumanyi naye nze nagumanya dda. Nze nagumanya nga yakaweza emyaka 2. Oyo anko waffe oyo mukulembeze w'eggwanga ow'e Rwanda anko waffe agenda kujja wamu n'abantu abalala besaagala kwogera nga afande Muhoozi w'abagamba ajja ku lunaku olw'amazaalibwa olwa Sunday agenda kubeera wano omutaka era ajja kusala keeki ya mutabanyi we nga wamu ne taata we ne maama we. Abayimbi kati abayimbi pate eri esembayo eya chairman Kiryowa Kiwanuka agenda ku releasinga list y'abayimbi abasoba mu 100 bana Uganda 100 artists aboyo pate ey'omwezi ogwo gyagenda okwanansinga ey'ennaku z'omwezi 7 May egenda kubeera pate envuunula bibya kubanga waliwo omukwano gwaffe omu atuwadde tanka za bia tanka si bino si crate alese roole ennene zino trailer n'agamba zino eno erimu club eno erimu Nairo eno erimu Bero trailer 6 ne waliwo n'erimu Uganda Waragi atanywa bia anywa Uganda Waragi atanywa ebyanywe Coca-Cola ne Pepsi Cola. Abayimbi bawano basoba 30 naye buli kasiki kaliko abayimbi mu Western e Bushenyi ku Lwakutaano tulina abayimbi mu Western Uganda bonna bajja kubeera Bushenyi era tugenda kubeera live ku UBC. Then enkeera ku lw'omukaaga waliwo Jose waliwo Bebe Cool n'abalala bajja kubeera wa Lugogo. Then ku Sunday tulina abayimbi okuva e Rwanda bakwano ba Muhoozi byakula nabo bagenda kujja kuyimba. So guno eno tugiyita standby cable, power cable, generator, transformer, substitute. Kati nga wogamba ntubadde ne Ronaldo ono Ronaldo yoyo Muzeeyi Museveni kati waliwo oyo mwana agenda okuddira Ronaldo yoyo. Wano waliro tulimu nga temuyinaawo kintu kyonna. Ku luno tuzze tuguddewo ate n'abantu beejumbidde. Era nga mwenatambula mu beach ojja kusanga abantu gye bali ku beach batandise okulya ebyennyanja muyiteeyitemu omwo mulabe embeera nga weeri abantu bazzeemu essuubi ne masiki bazisudde eri tewali ayambadde masiki kubanga bonna tubakebedde nga tewali ayina naka temperature. Kati waliwo essuubi ntugenda kuddamu tukole emabega wali tubadde tetukola nga tukaaba naye kati tugenda kuddamu tukole naye bwe gaba guno omwaka gwa byamagero birthday tugikuza ebivulu tuzzeemu tukola abantu bakkiriza bajja ne Bobi Wine njagaladdemu ayimbe atuyimbire kukulayira kwaffe Bobi Wine ajja ayimbe ne ku birthday njagala muyita ajja ayimbe. Yes njagala kuyita Mwami Kyagulanyi Center mu honorable ajje ayimbe ku birthday ya Muhoozi. That is it. Ku bayimbi betuleese y'omu kubajja okuyimbira abantu. Yes. Yes. Today party is loading. It is the birthday of the century. We shall have the first party in Bushenyi on Friday. We shall have the second party at Lugogo organized by Uncle Toyota on Saturday. We shall have another party organized by Muzeeyi Museveni for selected few. Chief guest will be the President of Rwanda, General Paul Kagame. That will take place on Sunday. Then after a few days, maybe a week or 2 weeks, we are going to have the party of the century, where Ugandans have offered whatever they can: chicken, trailers of lager, trailers of Uganda Waraj, trailers of everything, and love and t-shirts. Ugandans have offered. So we are going to party with our leader, our generation leader, and this party is unstoppable.
People are asking why this momentum,
You say it's a God calling. God has called. God has reminded us that you are not celebrating one of the forgotten heroes has been General Muhoozi. He's the one on the front line fighting ADF in Congo. He's the one now fighting the cattle thieves, the rustlers in Karamoja. Such a young man who would be at a balcony of his father's compound enjoying convoys of cars around Kampala. He decides to go to Karamoja to pitch camp in Karamoja. We need to celebrate his birth. So he's a Jesus of our time in Uganda.
Okay, what are some of the guests we can...
Among the guests we expect, among the artists we are expecting to perform, one of them is Bobby Wine. Bobby Wine will perform at General's birthday. He will come and sing for the president.
Have you invited him?
Yes, I will send him a card and I will pay him. He will come and perform. I want him to be one of the performers for that event. Yes.
Why exactly him?
He's a good performer. I like his music. Personally, I like Bobby Wine's music. But when it comes to politics, I support Muhoozi.
Do you think he will agree with this?
Why not? He will. You ask him. Who doesn't want money? Bobby Wine will come and he will perform and he's going to celebrate his birth. He will celebrate with Muhoozi. He will even attend the cutting the cake. That is our intention. We are inviting him.
Okay, other artists?
We have Bebe Cool for Uganda. The biggest artist is called Bebe Cool in Uganda. So we have Bebe Cool on the night. We have others, so many others.
We have some people coming from beyond.
Yeah, we have a Rwandese artist. He's one of the best performing Rwandese artists. One of the very, very best. So he's coming to perform at State Lodge. He will perform for the president. So that young man will perform for the president. He has those nice Ankole, original scripts of Ankole and Rwandese music. So that man is performing for those selected individuals. But the birthday will be live on the biggest network, UBC.
Lastly,
Bye.
There's a comment or some people saying the president of Rwanda will be coming. Is it this?
His Excellency Paul Kagame General is coming. I informed you about that. And General has made similar. He has confirmed to you that the president, his uncle, General Paul Kagame, the president of Rwanda, whose capital is Kigali, will be in Uganda on Sunday, and we shall welcome him from Entebbe to Nakasero.
Lastly, on this particular exercise, how do you feel that finally after 2 years we have been allowed to resume such festivities?
We are grateful for one thing. God is opening up and Ugandans have agreed to our call. People are coming. The beach is almost getting full down at the lake side. People are enjoying, and that's what we want. That's what Museveni wants. Let people come back, enjoy. Let's earn those who organize events. Let the musicians singing be paid. That is all we need. All is well.
Thank you, Muziki.
Mpisa si bulungi. Mpulira essanyu kubanga kati ennaku enkulu tuziridde tweyagala. Bingi. Tubadde tusuubira amasanyu nga gano. Abaana baffe nga tebakyadigiddako naye kati tusobodde okudigida. Kuwuga. Kulya ku ssente kubanga tukola ssente kujooga. Hey. Tuziina buli lw'obeera omulamu ne ssente omanya nti weeziri. Obulamu bwe bugagga.
Mwana obulamu bubadde bwa kiyaye nnyo, bubadde bufu naye kati tukikuba okitegeera. Wadde akajja mwana ssente zo zibuze. Kyova olaba nti olaba obucupa bwa nayiro butono obuyitaayita. Naye weetuli mpola mpola era akayewo katufuuwafuuwamu okitegeera. Kyekyo rasita.
Ayingidde jasi okyegeera. Nze kukiringamu bukirinzi waneno ne bakyali bange era nga wokitegeera. Mpulira bulungi kuba kati lockdown yaggwawo tweyagala abantu balaba nawe mazzi balaba banyumirwa. Obulamu si bwe buli bwe tubadde mu myaka 2 egiyise.
Tulira bulungi nnyo. Batutadde. Bagatuwa life ennungi ey'amazzi. Twatusubwa kala okucakalako. Naye kati tuwulira bulungi nnyo. Sente weziri tukola sente kujoga. Omwava aba ayagala nnyina na kitaawe.
Embeera tuwulya bulungi nnyo kubanga Museveni atuggula embeera kati tuli mu kulya ku ssente zaffe ze twekolera ekitegeera naye kati embeera ya covid nibagala bagizzeeyo tuyinza n'okukaaba ng'ogimanya embeera eno kubanga olina okulya ku ssente olina okukyusa obulamu ekitegeera bulaaza.
I'm happy to join all my family with the other people here, and we are celebrating Easter. I'm coming from Juba. My name is Pasquale Shod. This is my whole family. So I'm happy. Everything is good here. Weather is good. That's it.
2 years of lockdown. What was the experience?
Oh,
Of not going for
really, it gives a very sadness. Yeah, it gives sadness. It was not good. But now everything is open now. That's good indeed. Very exciting. Yeah.
exactly brought these kids to it.
We are celebrating for Easter. The Easter. Huh?
Which style?
Which sign? I'm not getting you.
I mean, which style are you celebrating Easter?
This side is. We swim. Yes, we swim. We swim. We swim. I'm got tired now.
Hello, how are you? I am very happy today because we are enjoying with my family, and then we find many friends here and relatives also.
Did you want to see this 2 years ago, but it didn't happen? How did you feel about it?
Before I am not coming here, this is the first time to me, but it is good. It is very nice.
I mean, 2 years we have been in lockdown, there was no such arrangements. What was the experience by then? Did you feel you missed this life 2 years ago?
During the lockdown, we cannot come in here to enjoy with the family and friends. Only we are to stay at home because we are scared for the COVID-19. But now we can. We can play, we can swim in with those friends. Okay, thank you. Okay, have a nice day.
Okweyambula ngenda kuyingira.
Owulira otya nti mu myaka ebiri emabega mwonna temukkirizibwa kutuukana wano?
Banange tekituufu tubadde tuwulira bubi naye nga tetulina kyakola kubanga era obulwadde bubaddewo. Tulina abantu baffe abafudde olwa covid, Mukama natuyamba ne tusigalawo. Era that's why nagambye sigenda sigalawo waka kanzija nnyumirwe era essaawa yonna ngenda kuyingira amazzi. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. How do you feel about why are you first of all?
First of all, I'm feeling so happy to be here, for real, because this imperial is my favorite. Before COVID, every year I will spend the end of the year I was coming here, so that's why I decided to come here today. I'm very so happy. By the way, let me ask, where are you from? That's good. All right, I'm Shakira from Nakasa Ziwudo. Yeah, I say greeting to everyone who watching UBC.
2 years ago,
Yeah.
this was not possible.
Yeah.
Today it has happened. Did you feel you missed this?
More than you think. Yeah, because for me, it's part of my life to come like such a place to enjoy myself. I just feel so happy to being like it. Even to watch these people enjoying life, I'm just feeling comfortable. I'm happy. So, yeah. My name is Shakira from Nakasa Ziwudo. Do you know Kabaka's Press? Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Ahora
home.